Hi, I'm Aelita Archbold, a teacher, educator, and the creator of innovative leadership program for children, A+ Smart Little Leaders. Rule number 25. Listen to your child. Genuinely listen to your child. They have wonderful insights even at a very young age. They will trust you, love you, and will possess the same habit when they will have their own family and children. Summary: genuinely listen to your child because it strengthens your bond with your child, creates trust, and will help you more understand your child. Rule number 26. Play with your children on a regular basis. Find time and play with your children every day, including weekends. Find games that will be fun to play for them and for you. When my children were little, I would take them to the park and play with them over there. Instead of passively sitting on the bench with boring face and watching them playing, I would go and play with them as if I was a child. When they slide from this children's slide, I would do the same. They were so happy to see me doing that. You can go bicycling together. It's fun for all family. Bicycling is our good family tradition. Chess is excellent to develop analytical and critical thinking skills in your children. Limit usage of their electronic devices. Instead, do fun physical activities with them. Summary: play with your children on a regular basis and do different physical activities to keep them physically active. Rule number 27. Show them your love and kindness every day. Don't feel shame to hug and kiss your high school children. Give them hugs and kisses every day until they leave home, because it will help them to feel that you really love them, will give them an extra boost of confidence, and even will strengthen their immune system. Long ago, I knew a person who was going through a divorce. According to him, his wife never would give a hug to their 4 children. That wasn't right. Summary: every day show love and kindness to your children, because this is the most important thing to do. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends, and give it a like, as it is a virtual way to say thank you. And of course, come to my consultations and I will work with your child so that they become confident and successful citizens. Live long, stay strong, be successful.